Hello, good afternoon mga kabangek. Here we are again with my alaga.
Agnes.
I'm Evangeline Ballesteros. And today, we will have the Mandarin. Bakit na yun? Ba't ganun? Hello, good afternoon. And today, ang aking alaga ay magtuturo ng Mandarin. Simple Mandarin sa akin. Kasi hindi ko alam talaga mag-Mandarin. So, magpapakilala muna ako. Ako si Evangeline Ballesteros sa aking YouTube channel. Please subscribe and follow me on my Facebook page, Evangeline A. Ballesteros. And here is my alaga.
And
What is your name?
my name is Agnes.
Okay, so number one.
Number one, it's hello. And the Mandarin of hello is ni hao.
Ni hao.
Very good. The second one, it's good morning. And it's zhao shang hao.
Chao sang hao. Do it again.
Zhao shang hao.
Chao sang hao. Chao sang hao. Is it correct?
No.
How? One more time.
Zhao shang hao.
Chao sang hao.
Okay, that's faster.
Okay.
And the next one is thank you. It's 谢谢.
谢谢.
Yeah.
谢谢.
Yeah.
Thank
it's not
you.
bad. And the next one is how are you? It's
How are you is
你好吗?
你好吗? 你好吗? 你好吗?
The next
你好.
one is take care. It's 小心.
小心.
Not bad.
小心.
And the next one
Take care.
is
Is that take care?
yeah, that's take care.
Take care. 显好. What?
小心.
Sorry. 小心. 小心. Take care. The next.
And our last one is I love you. And it's 我爱你.
我爱你.
Yeah, it's good.
Honey, 我爱你. Good morning. 你好. How are you? 你好吗? Thank
Yes.
you. 谢谢. 谢谢.
Take care.
Take care. What?
小心.
Take care is 小心. What is your name? 我爱你.
It's not.
What is your name? I love you is 我爱你. 我爱你. So until here, till our next video. If you like this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Kung mayroon pa kayong gustong gawin namin ng aking alaga, mag-comment lang kayo dyan sa baba at gagawin namin kung kaya namin gawin. Ang hirap talaga ng Mandarin. My God. Pati Cantonese, hindi ako natutong mag-Cantonese kahit na may dictionary man, may kung ano-ano na dyan. Hindi ako talaga natuto. Pero naintindihan ko konti lang. So, until here now, we must say bye.
Bye.
Please like and share. And as I always say, don't do unto others what you don't want others do unto you. So, please mag-face mask, always observe social distancing. Kasi talagang ang ating virus ay nandyan pa rin. Bye. Love you all.
Bye.
God bless.